Good afternoon. Ngayon po ay October 31, 2025 Friday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 p.m. draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong October 31, 2025 Friday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 2D Lotto 2 p.m. 3D Lotto 2 p.m. draw result ngayong Friday, October 31, 2025. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numeral na mabasan para sa 3D Lotto 2 p.m. 'See you again later for 5 p.m. draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for October 31, 2025, Friday. Here are the tonight's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Ultra Lotto 658 for Friday, October 31, 2025. Thank you for watching this 2 p.m. video for October 31, 2025, Friday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.